Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So on the recent episode of Babes and Mampintsha's reality show, Babes dropped a huge bombshell that Mampintsha has a child outside their marriage, guys. And of course, Mampintsha refused and rubbished those allegations and just called it rumors, saying that people are just making this story up because they want him and his wife, Babes, to fight. Babes wanted Mampintsha to have a paternity test done to see if he is indeed the child's father. Mampintsha eventually agreed, guys. Now, Babes Wodumo had a conversation with her pastor. She told him she suspected that Mampintsha's mother knew about the child and that it seemed like she was blackmailing his son, Mampintsha, to get what he wants from her, guys. Now, do let me know what you think about this whole situation in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so, guys. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.